Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this 5-minute AI video editing tutorial, I will show you how to create your own AI-generated video content quickly and easily. So, let's get started.
Part 1. Kyber AI Registration. To start using Kyber AI, you need a Kyber AI account. You can find Kyber AI link in this video description. Click the Start Free Trial button to register using your email or Gmail account. Part 2. Preparing the video. Before editing our video using Kyber AI, let's prepare it. In this example, I'm using Wondershare Filmora, but you can use any video editor. First, import your video. For this example, I will use a 40-second video and divide it into 7 parts using the cut function. Right-click on the second part, choose the Export Selected Clips option, and export it in the desired format and resolution. Repeat the same process for the 4th and 6th parts. Part 3. Video to AI Animation. Now log into your Kyber AI dashboard. Click the Create Your First Video button. Select the Transform an Existing Video option. Choose the exported second video from the previous step. Click Continue to proceed. Type your prompt or select a pre-made subject. Choose a video style. Click the Video Setting button to continue. Set the transform value to your desired level. Lower values result in more stable AI animation, while higher values create more dynamic AI animation. Click Go to Preview Frame to continue. Select your desired keyframe and click the Create Video button. Wait for the process to complete. If you're satisfied with the result, you can upscale it to full HD or 4K resolution. Go to the Upscale Video menu, select your desired resolution, and click the Upscale button. Wait for the process to complete. Once finished, click the Download button to save your AI-generated video. Repeat the same process for the second video, but this time using the humanoid pirates with steampunk style. Now convert the third video into an anime video style by typing anime in the subject prompt bar and selecting the Meteora graffiti style. Part 4. Finishing. Now go back to your video editor and import all the AI-generated videos. Replace the 2nd, 4th, and 6th parts of your original video with the AI video versions. Add dissolve transitions to each part in the transition menu. Export your final video. Here is the result from this AI video editing tutorial.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share to support me. See you in the next artificial intelligence tutorial video.
Bye!